Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. This protects the board and you. Once the device is off, gather a small flat tool, tweezers, a toothpick, and 90% isopropyl. Carefully pry the keycap from one corner. You want to lift straight up to avoid bending the stem. As you remove it, note how the stabilizer or scissor clips sit, because reassembly needs exact orientation. Keep any tiny clips or screws in a small container so nothing gets lost. Now you focus on the mechanism beneath the cap. This is where most failures happen. First, identify whether you have a scissor, rubber dome, or mechanical switch, because the fix differs. Use a small brush and 90% isopropyl to remove dust and sticky residue. Work slowly and let solvent evaporate. If scissor clips are misaligned, realign them into their notches. If a rubber dome is torn, replace it. For a hot swappable mechanical switch. To finish, seat the repaired or replaced mechanism into its frame and align the cap. Press straight down until you hear a snap, because angled pressure can break clips. Power on the device and test the key in a text editor. Type phrases and press several times to confirm consistent travel and contact. If it feels mushy or fails intermittently, make sure clips aren't inverted. If problems persist, swap the dome or switch. As a troubleshooting tip, test with an external USB keyboard to rule out firmware or matrix issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.